Ever wondered why BliKVM V4 changes remote server management forever? You stare at your server rack, knowing a simple BIOS tweak could fix your issue, but you're miles away. It's frustrating when physical access becomes a blocker. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. With hardware like this, distance stops being an excuse and becomes your strength. Crashes, boot loops, failed OS installs. They feel like monsters when you're remote. Your uptime, your workflow, your peace of mind pull against the chaos. Imagine a world where you take control without leaving your chair. No more site visits, no more guessing. Just instant, reliable access from BIOS to desktop on demand. This is BliKVM V4, a compact, powerful KVM over IP solution built around the all-winner H313 SoC for remote management dominance. It captures HDMI video from your server while supporting HDMI loop-through, meaning you can still use a local monitor if needed. It emulates a keyboard, mouse, and even mass storage, so you can reinstall OS or update firmware through the browser. PoE support means one cable can give you data and power, simplifying rack deployments. Its built-in RDC, real-time clock, keeps accurate logs even if network time is unavailable. With a web interface, you navigate BIOS, manage UEFI, and remote boot as if you're directly at the machine. One small business owner used BliKVM V4 to recover a corrupted bootloader overseas without traveling. Bonus tip: using the virtual USB drive feature, you can mount ISOs from your laptop to remote servers mid-boot. No USB sticks required. This device isn't just about remote control. It's about reclaiming freedom over your infrastructure. The benefits of BliKVM V4 go beyond convenience. Experts praise it as a game-changer for remote workstations, noting that its hardware-level access works even if the OS is down. One reviewer said, "Finally, true out-of-band management without enterprise license fees." Influencers in the Homelab space rave that its HDMI loop-through and PoE features make deployment in racks seamless. Analysts see it as part of a trend toward democratizing enterprise tools, remote management that doesn't require massive budgets. Users confirm, a sysadmin avoided a 4-hour service trip by rebooting and reconfiguring remotely. A Homelabber mounted ISO images and reinstalled firmware on servers mid-boot. The web UI is responsive and supports high-quality video streaming. The HDMI capture is sharp even in BIOS mode. The open-source foundation ensures firmware is massively customizable, reviewed by a community that continually adds features. Which feature would save your day? PoE simplicity, virtual media, or HDMI loop-through? Comment below and tell us your use case. See why thousands can't stop talking about this tool that bridges distance, control, and performance seamlessly. Don't let location limit your control. Join professionals and enthusiasts who've already leveled up with BliKVM V4. The demand is high. Grab yours before stock vanishes. Click now to get yours and unlock the secret setup trick that reduces latency by half. Whether you're managing distant servers, Homelab nodes, or remote infrastructure, this device gives you direct access as if you were plugged in locally. Don't just watch. Jump in and command your systems from anywhere today.